Hi traders, Ken Calhoun here from Trade Mastery. If you're like a lot of traders I've helped over the last 20 years, you'll find that tape reading is an absolutely essential skill to get right if you're an active trader. It helps you see step by step the order flow as you're ready to put on a trade. There's three key objectives that I've got for you coming up in this upcoming tape reading training session. The first is to get your entries right so that you're in just as the stock is in the process of breaking out to new highs. The sweet spot where it goes between where it's slow and it's too late. Tape reading can help you get in early during a breakout so that you get in at the right time in the right way. The second objective is to avoid false breakouts. That's often where the price action's already run up too far. You may get overly enthusiastic, at least speaking from my own experience. You pull the trigger on the trade, it goes up all of 2 or 3 cents and immediately crashes against you. We want to help you avoid that. So I'll be teaching you some of my battle-tested strategies to avoid false breakouts by using tape reading intelligently. We look at things like the width of the spread, the speed of the tape, the volume, the ratio of how many trades are going off at the ask versus the bid, and other key technical signals that can help get you on the right side of your trade. And the third and often overlooked most important technique with tape reading is knowing when to tighten in a trailing stop or when to just go to cash and exit the trade. And after you get in the trade, you're in the money, that's a good thing, and then it starts to roll over and go back down. The tape is what I'm always looking at visually when I'm in a live trade to help me exit my trades on time, as I've done so many times over the last many years. So there's a few things more exciting as an active day trader. You know, I've run Day Trading University now for 20 years. To be in the money in a trade, it runs up in your favor. Then you use the tape to identify exactly where to exit the trade. And sure enough, as soon as you go to cash, lock in your profit, and the price comes crashing back down, and you say, well, I got out just in the nick of time. It's an exciting thing to learn. One thing that I urge you to do too is to bring your questions. I'm always open to answering questions. This training is ideal if you're new to using the tape and you've never used tape reading before the right way. That's something I'll go over step by step, how to configure and use your tape. More importantly, we'll be going over signals and patterns and everything that you need to know from start to finish to use tape reading is an integral part of your active day trading process. I've done thousands of real money day trades the last 4 or 5 months here alone, and as one of the leading experts in intraday stock trading, I'm the go-to guy for active tape reading as well. You may have seen my article from way back in 2002 in Active Trader magazine. So I did the world's first tape reading seminar back in 2001 to a packed house at the Sheraton Anaheim as part of the presentations I was doing. So anyways, I'm somebody who can really help you use time and sales the right way. We want to keep it simple, keep it straightforward, use it to help you manage your entries during the sweet spot of a breakout, how to avoid fake outs or false breakouts, and then once you're in the money in a trade, how to manage the exit side of the trade carefully. I'll explain to you step by step in this upcoming training. So I hope to see you there. Go ahead and register your spot right now.